Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Christian D. Larson. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Your limitation is only your imagination. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. The power of imagination makes us infinite. John Muir. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it. Jordan Belfort. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Winston Churchill. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Vidal Sassoon. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it.